Imagine being able to be in a place and experience a thing without actually leaving the comfort of your own surroundings. That's exactly what a group of Tshwane University of Technology students did earlier this year. Let's take a look.
March played host to a frenzy of designers this year at the Design Indaba in Cape Town. Designers from all fields got to showcase their funky, life-changing innovations. This year, the students at the Tshwane University of Technology, they got to experience a Design Indaba all the way from their classrooms in Pretoria. And it's all thanks to this little guy. This is MTN's Connector Bot, a beta test proxy droid. Its purpose? Connecting the disconnected. The Connector Bot acted as the eyes and ears of the Pretoria-based TUT students, allowing them to enjoy the event like any other delegate. This RTD2-like android was able to, rove around, attend lectures and interact with delegates and students. And it wasn't just great for the students, it was actually quite cool for those who got to interact with it on the floor.
The idea behind designing the Connector Bot was to link people that couldn't attend the Design Indaba with the Design Indaba. It's always nice to see pictures and things, but when you're really immersed in the environment, it makes such a big difference. And we wanted to give the control to students that couldn't attend to experience the full culture of Design Indaba.
Engineered by the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, the design students piloted the bots via what they call intuitive touchscreen controls. Using the power of telecommunications, the Connector Bot is linked to a long-term evolution modem, which is then connected to the control board, which enables the user to control every action via an internet connection from anywhere on the planet. The bot has been the star of newspaper and blog posts and social networks, along with the pioneering students who got to take it for its first spin from over 1,000 kilometers away. It's no secret that here in South Africa, we're catching up with the rest of the world when it comes to internet speed and connections. It's design and amazing innovations such as these that have us imagining a world where nothing is out of reach, a future worth waiting for.